Dive into a musical oasis with the Annlend waterproof Bluetooth shower speaker. No need to let water be the barrier between you and your favorite tunes anymore. Whether you're in the bathroom, kitchen, on the beach, by the swimming pool, or even on a boat, this portable speaker is your perfect companion. The unique suction cup design adds convenience to your music experience, allowing easy attachment to any flat surface like a desk, wall, window, or the backside of your phone or tablet. The versatility is impressive, but it's not just about music. The built-in microphone turns this speaker into a hands-free calling powerhouse. Pairing is a breeze, and you'll love the seamless connectivity with your smartphone or any Bluetooth-enabled device. The easy button operation lets you switch tracks, control the volume, and answer calls effortlessly. Packaged beautifully, it makes for an ideal gift, especially for kids who can now enjoy their favorite tunes even during bath time. And here's the assurance: if you're not completely satisfied with your shower speaker, Annlend has your back with a replacement, or a full refund. Your satisfaction is their priority. Don't miss out on the perfect sound experience in every splash. Annlend waterproof Bluetooth shower speaker is your ticket to a musical water adventure. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.